how to send video from camera roll as a snap, not in chat in Snapchat. Now let's get started. First of all, open up your Snapchat application and make sure that you're logged in with your account. Once you open it up, now to send the video from a gallery as snap, navigate to the top right hand side. There is a menu bar. So from there, tap on plus. Now from this drop down box, tap on director mode. Now once you land on this interface, there you get an option to import media from your gallery or from your device. So tap on import media. Now from here, you get to select a video. So select a video from your gallery. Now once you select the video, tap on the tick mark from the bottom right corner. There you can add more video as well, or you can simply go with this one. After that, tap on this preview button from the bottom right corner again. Now you will land on this interface. From here, you can simply tap on send to button and then send to your contact or your friends on Snapchat. Suppose I have this contact or friend right here and I want to send to this contact, then tap on send. After you send it, you have sent this video as a snap. Now let's check that. I will switch my account to the another account that I have recently sent snap to. Here I have switched to another account. Now let me go and check in this chat section. Tap on this chat icon and I have this recent snap that I have sent from my another account. So if you open it up, this will be sent as a snap. If you open up the chat, there is no video in this chat. So that's how you can send video from gallery as a snap, not in chat in Snapchat. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, make sure to subscribe, like, comment and hit that notification bell icon. Thanks for watching and I will see you on next video.